Hey man, tell us what your name is.
My name's Mike Jones.
Mike Jones, what are we doing today?
We're skydiving today.
We're going skydiving?
Yeah, we are.
Are you crazy?
Yeah.
You think this is a good idea?
I think it's a great idea.
All right, well, as long as you think it's a good idea, then I guess I'll go too.
Yep, let's do it.
All right, have you ever done something like this before?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Any certain reason why?
I just wanted to do it for a while.
Okay. I would say we're glad that you came here to Skydive Tennessee to let us be part of it. Here in a couple minutes, we're going to load up here on this big, beautiful beast right here. We're going to climb 14,000 feet up there in the sky and hurl ourselves out 2.5 miles back towards the earth. Sound good?
Sounds great.
All right, man. You got any last words?
No, I think I'm good.
All right. Next time we see you, we're going to be heading into the plane.
All right, sounds good.
Mark your head. Video.
Let's do this.
I think she might do this.
Get up and run.
All right, go ahead and hop up, Mike.
The light shot's gonna be very tight, by the way.
All right, man, tell me about it. How was that?
Man, that was awesome.
Yeah?
I thought I was gonna get lightheaded for a minute there, but man, that was awesome.
Yeah. What was your favorite part?
Right out of the plane.
Yeah?
As soon as we left, just, no! That's all it was.
Love it, man. Would you do it again?
Maybe. I'll give it a little while first.
Yeah, it'll sink in and you'll realize how much fun it was. All right, man, come over here and give Zach a big high five for saving your life. Thanks for coming out here to Skydive Tennessee.